Hello everybody! In today's video we are going to be reviewing RUBBALL. Hey guys, it's Autumn and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, hello, and for those of you returning, welcome back. Hope you are staying safe and well and enjoying the holiday season. In today's video, like I said, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the one and only RUBBALL. You can find them on Instagram at RUBBALL Co. If you don't know what a RUBBALL is, neither do I. So we're going to do an unboxing today of the RUBBALL and check it out, see what it is, and go from there. So they had reached out to me, asked if I would like to do an unboxing video. I said absolutely. Like I said, their Instagram is at RUBBALL Co, so make sure you give them a follow. And make sure you give me a follow on Instagram with my new Instagram name, AutumnBlair_XO. So make sure you say hello, watch my stories, leave me a comment, all that fun stuff, and follow my page. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Quick shout out to Tautronics for providing my lights today. They do an awesome job. And to Elite Body Official for this bomb outfit. So, without further ado, let's do the unboxing of the one and only RUBBALL. So, they'd reached out and I said maybe a black one, so I'm not sure. I did just take the plastic wrap off, so I wasn't doing that on the video. But it comes in a nice box. It's fairly heavy. And let's open it up. Oops, sorry. Drop that. So, this is the inside of the box. It's in a nice plastic thing. It's actually smaller than I thought. And it... Oh my goodness. I've dropped everything. Except the RUBBALL. So let's get it out of its bag and take a quick look. Whew, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I got the green one. This is what it looks like up close, if we can get it to focus. It's fairly, dense. I didn't realize it was going to be so, obviously the box is heavy, but I didn't realize it was going to be so dense. I thought it was going to be a little bit more squishy. It's kind of got, a grippy exterior. It's got a little power button or plug-in thing on the bottom. And then it looks like it's got lights and a power button on the inside. It does come with a charging cord, which is really nice. It just plugs in, so it's not like the USB style. And somewhere here, before I dropped everything, oh, there's the instructions are on the ground. Hold on. Does come with a little user manual here as well. So this is the Vibrating massage ball. Basically, you can use it all over. It gives you a little bit of information about it. It's about 2.2 pounds and 5 inches in diameter. Like I said, it's got a little bit of weight on it. And yeah, let's try to turn it on. Let's see what it does. Okay, we're pressing the button here. Nothing seems to be happening. Did it come not charged? Oh, RUBBALL. Hang on, let me just look. Fully charged for 2 hours before first use. Blah, blah, blah. To turn on, press down for 3 seconds. Oh, okay. I'm just dumb and can't read. So you just have to hold the button down. Let's try that. There we go. Lights are on. And then it looks like the different light settings are for how long it works. So there's, I think, about 3 or 4 different power settings, and it says the average runtime is about 2 hours. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Woo. Okay, it's hard to tell, but it is shaking here in the video. It's got a pretty, good vibration to it. Feels pretty good. Like I said, it's really, really dense. And it does have the 3 power settings and then the lights that kind of indicate. So it's hard to focus on. But let's get the couch and chair moved out of the way and give it a try. So it does say not to use directly on the hard surface. So I just have a yoga mat I'm going to throw down. My cat's sitting on the yoga mat. Just so we don't wreck the floor. And basically, I think all you do is just, as per the instructions here, you can use it in a number of different ways. You can use it on... You can sit on it, you can massage yourself with it, you can rub it on your legs. So as an athlete, I find I get really, really sore muscles. So this is something I'm really excited about as a way just to kind of stretch out my muscles and relax everything. I'm just going to tilt my camera down so we can see a little bit better. But let's try it out. So we'll turn on just power setting number 1, and we'll try it under my legs. That feels pretty good. sit into it, so it's like you can choose how hard you want to push on the muscle and like how much weight you want to put on it. Like I said, it is fairly dense, so you have to, it doesn't take much to like get a really deep massage. I'm just gonna turn it up one here. You can really hear it on the floor or on the hardwood, so it might be better on carpet or a little bit different flooring, but it feels really, really good. It is really bouncy as well, so just use caution if you do turn it on and just put it on the floor. But I'm actually really, really impressed. Let's turn it up one more. RUBBALL seems kind of awesome. You can kind of massage wherever you want with it. You can use it all over the place. Like I said, I had it on the ground. I was using it on the back of my legs. It does not sound great on the floor, so it might be more of a carpet thing. But it feels fantastic. Like I said, it does have a little bit of weight. The only thing I found, though, just right now, is I did hit the power button. So I ended up turning it up a little bit just while I was rolling on it. So that is something to kind of use caution with. But this is the RUBBALL, and I think it's a really, really handy little gadget. I think this is something I would highly recommend, especially, like I said, as an athlete, somebody with sore muscles. You can do it on your back, you can do it on your legs, you can do it on your arms, you can kind of do it all over the place. So make sure you check them out. Let me know if this is something you'd like to try. If you think I should do a giveaway for a RUBBALL, comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And let me know your thoughts on the RUBBALL. Make sure you say hello, and until next time, bye.